Hello! Meron akong mga products dito. As in, kadamo-damo. Tanana siya kay pampagwapa. Lahat to from Beauty Glow, Beauty Glow Kala ko may nagasilip. Okay, anyway. Beauty Glow Total Skin Revolution. Face and Body Moisturizing Cream. Ooh. It smells good. So it hydrates and smoothens skin, exfoliates dead skin cells, dries out pimples, and reduces acne scars. It removes blackheads and whiteheads. Langan ko to ba? Whiteheads and blackheads. Creamy siya. I think it's okay to wear this when you're at home. Kasi, based on my experience, when you use creamy stuff, medyo malagkit yung feeling sa labas. Tapos, lalo na we're in the Philippines, init kaayo. Grabe kalagkit. Singot kag maayo. Castor oil. Cold pressed. What? And then, it encourages the growth of long lashes. It rapid increase of hair growth. It thickens the hair, repairs dry, damaged, and brittle hair. Treats dry and itchy scalp psoriasis, eczema, cracked nails, chapped nails, acne, and ringworm. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, scars, stretch marks, itch. Hala! Gusto ko to. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my lashes. Gusto ko pa rin maghaba pa siya lalo. Well, hindi siya maanghang. Hindi siya halang. Sana maghaba siya, boy. Toner, all natural fruit acid. Oh my god, I put cream on my face. Dapat inon ako yung toner, right? Continue later. This one is a sunscreen with collagen SPF 30. It protects skin from harmful UV rays. It's non-oily and has a powder finish. Ooh. Same sila ng smell nung face and body moisturizing cream. Uy, parang nga siya powder. Oh my god, guys. What happened? Di ko alam basig mali akong gibuhat kay naggihalo na ko yung face and body cream. Ubuo lang. I think hindi dapat ihalo. Try natin ulit. Buo nga niyo eh. Crisha oy. But since I have Kojic papaya soap, papaya! Let's use this na lang to wash my face na rin. And we all know na papaya soap whitens your skin. And yung maganda niya, may virgin coconut oil. I love virgin coconut oil. I drink coconut oil and I put it on my face and my body. So this is perfect for me. Oh, ito rin. It has activated charcoal detoxifying cleanser. Same. So I'll use this both right now. I'll be back. Ayan. I feel better. Well, at least na-wash ko na yung face ko and nagustuhan ko siya. Parang may nag-smooth yung skin siya, hindi siya nakaka-dry. And pwede ko na rin gamitin tong exfoliating toner because wala na yung face and body cream. Dili pwede na isabay. Kay more raging ato ang mo gawas. Anyway, ay may alcohol siya. So usually, I'm not really into alcohol. Hindi naman to sa lahat ng skin, but I really have a sensitive skin for alcohol. Medyo maanghang, mahapde. So I'm gonna discontinue to use this. Depende kasi yan sa skin, guys. We do not have the same skin. Ibang skin, they're okay with alcohol toners. But me, ito, like, it has a natural fruit acid. May acid siya. Halang. So, medyo nafe-feel ko na yung halang niya. I'm not really into that. Anyway, I will continue this sunscreen again with collagen. Ayan. Now, it's better. Pataka. Ganino eh. May powder finish nga siya. Oh my god, I like it. Whew! Next. So, kani siya, it's a detoxifying mud pack. Okay. Oh! It's black. Okay, so you have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes on your face. Let's put it in my teeth. Unta, dili ko magkalat, so magbutang ko og papel. Okay, I feel nalinis naman na yung teeth ko. Parang natanggal yung mga kiki ba? Ay, sorry. Naglimpyo na po daw akong face before nag-review ako ng Carbon Coco, the teeth whitening rin, the charcoal. Same sila ng texture, pero ito may taste. Yung taste niya medyo salty. Basta iba. Hindi siya same. And may smell to. Yung smell, murag ocean, murag anak. Medyo yellow lang gyud ang teeth kay I always drink coffee ba. So I don't know. I think I have to quit coffee, but I cannot, guys. I cannot delete. Jud ko maka-edit ana. Anyway, kani activated charcoal bleaching mousse. Bleaching mousse. Okay. Nakakatanggal siya ng stretch marks, dark spot. Ah, it's color gray. I think you should put this when you're at home. We can put this like diri na po because I really want this to lighten up. Mura siyang cement. Pero humot siya. Wala pa takabalo kung mag-work ni tanan kay I have to use this and finish everything, right? Let's see. Diba? Mangutan na sa kuha ka ng mga Bisaya ba? Bisaya. So I can share you guys little by little. Usually you always hear me saying salamat kaayo. You're thinking siguro, ano yung kaayo? So much or very much. Salamat kaayo. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. And aslum. Aslum is sour. Diha. So diha is there. Ana, parang ing ana jud. Ganyan talaga, ganyan. And then, kani. So, kani parang, this one, eto. Nindot. Nindot means maganda. It's nice. Nindot siya. Karon. Karon is now. Karon na. Now na. Humot siya. Humot siya. Meaning, smells good. Mabango. Lami. Lami kaayo. Masarap. Delicioso. Samok. Samok means you're annoying. Appeal. Meaning join. Appeal na. Join na. Next time ulit. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I want to say hi to Zyrel Geronimo, hi Vincent Venus, and hi Nicole Cerojales. Good luck to your board exam, guys. Hi Castelline Basera. I want to say hi Zachary Casen San Diego. My basic language, that was a request kay Miss Julia Andrea Ramos. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. Salamat kaayo. Salamat pud kay Beauty Glow. Salamat kayo!